Small charger, big power. Let's check this out. Dave Taylor here, and I'm going to talk about power again. There's no avoiding it in our modern era. All your devices need to be charged. They all need power and electricity, so we're all constantly trying to figure out, where can we charge? What do we need to charge? It's kind of a huge hassle. And it gets more complicated when you get to larger devices like my MacBook Pro, because it needs a lot of wattage to be able to charge, and that means a pretty big charger, at least from Apple. But do you need to carry all those chargers? No, actually, you don't. That's what I'm looking at. That's this. This is the Innergie C6 Duo charger. And as you can see, it's pretty darn small and fold up prongs. Much more importantly, it has two USB-C plugs on the side, and that lets you charge really almost any combination of devices up to and including my MacBook Pro. So, really nice. It supports Power Delivery 3.0, Quick Charge 4.0, PPS Fast Charge. These are all protocols that let the charger negotiate with the device to give you the fastest and most efficient possible charge. Now, what's nice is that they're also equally important ports. So if you want to charge a large device like a MacBook Pro or other laptop or tablet or something, then you can plug into either one. And when it's a single item plugged in, this can deliver up to 60 watts. In fact, here you can see I use this very small USB-C to USB-C charging cable, plugged it into my MacBook Pro, and you can see from the hardware configuration that it is indeed charging at 60 watts from this tiny charger. So fantastic. And you're wondering, well, how fast did it charge? Hang on, we're going to get there. So now, let me tell you that the two ports, if you use both of them, can deliver 45 watts and 18 watts or dual 30-watt charges. So I also used USB-C to USB-C and USB-C to Lightning, and these are bring your own cables, as with most modern chargers like this. I use both of those simultaneously to charge my Google Pixel 5 and my Apple iPhone 12. So, how fast did it work? I'm really glad you asked that. So, my iPhone dual charging, right? My iPhone charged 64% in an hour. That's pretty impressive. The Pixel did even better. It took a 76% charge in a single hour. Now, I unplugged both of those. I plugged in just USB-C, plugged it into my MacBook Pro. As you saw, it was 60 watts and charging, and it got a 57% charge in an hour. Again, that's very impressive, particularly for something that's this small and so easily can fit in your pocket. Now, this isn't just plastic and power though, because there's a ton of protection built into this too. This has what they call the Inner Shield protection system, which gives you overcurrent, over voltage, over temperature, over power protection, and short circuit protection. So this thing is going to make sure your devices charge optimally without ever getting into any dangerous situations. That's a huge win. Also comes with a 3-year warranty, so if anything happens even 2 years and 11 months later, then they've got your back. Now, size-wise, it's 2.2 inches by 1.8 inch by 1.2 inches, and it's 4.9 ounces. I can tell you this is a fraction of the size of the Apple charger, and the fact that I can charge multiple devices simultaneously is fantastic. So I can be charging my phone and someone comes up and says, dude, I need to charge my phone too. All I have to do is say, great, where's your cable? And as long as they have a cable, we are good to go with 2 simultaneous charges. That's really nice. There's really no downside to this. It's a little spendy for a charger compared to just a little tiny 20-watt charger for your phone or something. But if you've priced out getting a charger for your computer, laptop, or notebook, then you know those tend to be a little more expensive when they push out that much more wattage. So, how much does this cost? Well, before we get there, give me some feedback. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Go ahead and leave a comment telling me what you wish I would have tested out and tried for charging. And by the way, this will work with things like the Switch, the PS5, a GoPro. There's a lot of different devices you can charge with this because it's just power, right? That's the idea of things like power delivery or PD3 and QC4 and all that, is it just works with a wide variety of devices. Really nice. All right, now also, tap on that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate when you do that. And I really actually like getting lots of subscribers. It gives me more leverage to get more gear so I can give you more of the straight scoop. I do not actually doctor, edit, modify. I tell you the straight scoop. And if they have bad things, if there's problems with devices, I'll tell you that too. There are no problems with this because it's a charger and it's small and it works. So that's awesome. Now, how much does it cost? All right, this Innergie C6 Duo charger is $64.99 at Amazon.com, which, like I said, is a little spendy for a phone charger. But when you think about the fact that this is the one charger that will charge every device you own and that it's small enough to fit in your pocket, then it suddenly sounds like one heck of a bargain. So definitely one to check out. I'm going to go back and finish charging up my devices, which means I'll hope to catch you in my next video.